Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about perfectly elastic and inelastic demand. Okay guys, so in this case here we're going to take two extreme examples of price elasticity of demand. The first example we're going to take is where your product is not just elastic, which is quite a flat demand curve, it's actually perfectly elastic. So this is your demand curve here, the horizontal line. We will call this perfectly, so that's perfectly elastic in this case. And perfectly elastic means that if we start off charging a price of €1 in this case here, any increase in that price whatsoever, so even a change up to €1.01 will result in no quantity demanded whatsoever. So that €1.01 would never hit the demand curve, so we could go all the way across here. Because of that, when you work out the elasticity, it tends towards infinity. So the price elasticity of demand in terms of perfectly elastic products tends towards infinity like this. So we'll give that symbol to represent infinity. In practice, what it means is that these markets are very competitive. In fact, they're perfectly competitive, and any price change results in zero quantity demanded, no quantity demanded, no sensitivity or no ability to change price in this case. The second extreme that we're going to look at is perfectly inelastic demand, so the opposite extreme. So when products tend to be inelastic, what they are is quite steep in terms of their demand curve, and when they're perfectly inelastic, they have a vertical demand curve as shown here. So this is again perfectly, but in this case the perfectly refers to inelastic demand. So perfectly inelastic, and what it means is if we start off with our €1 for a product charging €1, this company here can increase the price to perhaps €2, and it can even go further and go up to €3 up here. The key point is that any of these price changes do not have any effect on quantity demanded. So if quantity demanded is 100 when price is 1, well then quantity demanded still stays at 100 when price goes up to 2 or 3. So that's perfectly inelastic demand, and when you work out the price elasticity of demand for that, you get a figure of 0. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.